Just a good spreader of the wealth. In the meantime, this cut shot, tracked down, kept in play. Tough angle. Hirap ang defense. Kept alive. Cayuna goes the other direction. Uy, first long rally. And that will be scored upon by Tubo. Already scoring 3 points, as Neil pointed out. Nice pickup from the middle. The middles are activated. Ball is swung over to the other side. Reverse, blocked, alive, and a great one-handed pickup. The tap. Crowd is screaming here. Dito sa volleyball pwede, sa tennis hindi ka pwede magsisisigaw ng ganyan. Oh, that is long. In the meantime, getting with that serve. Oh, that's right through two defenders. On two we go. It's red. It's set up, and that's inside. Myla Pablo yung isa and get a setter against Ces Molina. Almost the same body type, skill level. In the meantime, here's the attack from the other wing. Picked up downstairs. Whoa! In cleanly. Butas na butas. Si Riri, master na niya yung mga beda. Volleyball team. Off the hands and scored. EJ Laurel. Escamillan. Si Myla, Mylene Paz. Mahaba na rin ang pangalan. I think she married also. Straight into the waiting hands of... Oh, but that is drilled in cleanly by Cayuna. Yatura. Off the hands. Ah, straight and true. Up. Picked up deep. Molina uncorks and scores. 2-point lead by the Foxies. Twisting set, MJ Phillips. It's still alive. Recycled Phillips again. Kept in play, whipped inside, and not a problem for Farm Fresh's Tubo drilled it in. Well, masayang-masaya yung samahan ng Lala National High School. Sila sumusuporta sa Farm Fresh.
One blocker.
Oh, sumalok pababa, oh. Riri Meneses serving for all of us. High up and down. Here comes the set from the middle. Contained, and there's a double block that seals the wall. They had two in the first set. Set up by Cayuna. It is blocked, but kept alive by Sabete. Into the deep ends.
Mero up front, the shorter blocker. So even if you get checked the first time, you can try again on the second to get it out of bounds.
Let's see if she makes that adjustment. It's now hit long. This is whipped in. And Farm Fresh getting away with everything they want to do so far. She will continue to do that. Here's her southpaw serve. That is just before the line. Ang kapunan ng next leg, iniwanan sila. 7 straight points. Finally, they end that long drought.
They have an easier chance to defend that ball pag alam nila na okay, it's either sa left or sa right lang naman pupunta eh.
Wala naman tayong pupunta sa gitna.
They're getting a lot of block touches against the Chameleons.
Here's Chang sliding nicely. Managed to create that opportunity for Fernandez well. Gel serve. Stretch 4 by Tobino. The cut shot. Bandy the back row attack. Roll on the floor. The whip, and it's returned to Sunder.
are the two best blockers on the side of rookies sa mga veterans. Sometimes less is more.
And you know, it's not all power. It's okay to turn it on when you have to. In the meantime, placement yun.
Ang bilis nung
Oo.
recovery ng Farm Fresh because they know na pag gumana na itong middles consistently from the Camellias, they will
2010 tally. First set going the way of Farm Fresh 25-23. But this one is in the deep corner. Abby Maranya trying to perk up her team. Pinakita ko sa kanya sa picture namin dala. Sir, tago mo yan. Huwag mo ilalabas. Oh, Farm Fresh scoring again.
on the floor. They're very good defensively, specifically in the digging department. But right now, something's really not clicking. Even the reception has been faulty. And
that's why they're digging into their bench. It's 24, set point 22. Or 12, sorry, my mistake. Into the back row. Dorendes made it a set. Cayuna. And Nextland stays alive here. Point two at a time ito. Kaya na pagtapusin ng Farm Fresh ngayon ito. Tapos. Ganun kasimple. Katapos ng 25-23 na first set, 25-13 tayo dito sa second set.
can't go all power. You have to be able to get the right targets first.
Ayan, no?
Kahit hindi ganun kalakas.
Oo.
Basta nasa tamang spot.
Basang-basa siya, di ba? Romero's, oh, what a set to the other side. Cés Molina going all guns here.
There's a tendency for you to overthink everything.
Why are we like this? You don't know. Why? And a regalo is pounced upon. It's 3-0. In the meantime, the set by Cayuna. It is in play. One-handed set. Punched high. One of the few long rallies we've had. Nabuhay pa oh. Buti na alala ni MJ third ball na. But Tubo is just unceasing here today.
Mahirap na feeling. Parang naghahabol ka na
Tino must be saying, wow, my clone. In the meantime, Negros Occidental. Same place where basketball player James Yap came from. That's jammed. Elevated. Tubo connects in the corner. Takot. They gotta take chances also. Okay, set it up properly. Then we attack. This one too long. Look at this. Meron ba niyo? Wala. MJ Phillips serving. Binal. Tubo, unstoppable.
Temperatura.
11-6. Cheng. That's a wallop.
Like
Yep.
Yeah. As long as you get it at the high.
Kasi nagdalawang isip ko eh. 11-7 po ang ating bilang. Tinulak. Tinaas. Tinapik. Binaon. Down the line. That's blocked.
Out of bounds.
Kept very much in play. Romero. That's inside.
It was out, but there was a block touch of.
Here it is, Nick. Block touch ba? Okay. Inside and out. Inside and out dapat. Yeah.
It was a big quick setup for MJ Phillips. Ang layo nung positioning niya sa block.
Tututuro si Tobino.
No whistle.
You play on. Blocked. Kailangan talaga, setter ka rin, no? La Rosa spikes it over. Di ba may allowance tayo sa libero for this tournament? Sige, para matapos to, mag-Tricia Tubo na tayo. In the meantime, Molina's serve in play. And you were saying, as Philip scores anew. In the meantime, reading Meneses. Dikit sa net.
Oh.
No problem.
Best hit.
5-2 count in the aces. Farm Fresh has more. Binalik. Tinaas. Recovered from the back row. Romero sets up Tubo. Not precise. Cayuna. Fernandez knocks it down. May kamay itong Fernandez.
Fernandez.
Mahal sila. Wala pa akong pasalubong. I'm sure meron na yan. Okay. 18-17. 1 point affair in the third. This is inside and we are tied. Takes a deep breath. Picked up downstairs by De Guzman. Tough angle. It's in play. Elevated by Tolenada. Into the back row! Gusto na umuwi ng isa. Pero palagay ko lipat bukas pa yun. That is inside. That brings them to 23. Cruz. And we are done. Straight set win